In the search bar, go ahead and type the word storage, and then we're going to select storage setting right here. And then what this is going to do is going to automatically start scanning the operating system drive or your C drive here. It will locate all the files and then kind of group them into a category. So the main one that we're going to be looking at is the temporary files here. So go ahead and click on this. And by default, you'll see that these ones here could be deleted. The main one that you have to watch out for, and they do put a warning label here, is the downloads folder. This is where obviously you download a lot of files from the internet. As you can see here, I have 30 gigs worth of downloads, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it. But before you do, make sure they are not files that you need. Right at the end, you'll see here that recycle bin is unchecked. So if you do go ahead and delete files and forget that they're stored in your recycle bin, you can check that as well. That's what I'm going to go ahead and do. And then once that's all done, scroll back up to the top and then I click remove files. Again, make sure that these are files that you want to remove specifically from your downloads folder and your recycle bin. Go ahead, click remove. It will give you another warning. Click continue. And then all you have to do is just wait a few minutes depending on how much files you have, and then after, you would have saved, in my case, about 30 gigs worth of space on your hard drive. So we're just going to go ahead and give this a couple more minutes. And as you can see right here, it has been removed. Let's go back to storage. And let's go ahead and check the temporary files once again. Shouldn't see much in here this time. And as you can see, it's gone all the way down to the bottom. It's went from 30 gigs all the way down to 879 megabytes. And that is how you quickly clean up the storage on your Windows 11 computer.